Hi, hi everyone. So for Tuesday, you all read Rousseau's excerpts from Rousseau's Emile, and so this is his plan for tutoring a child from birth to adulthood. And he says in the beginning, when he's defending his right to educate this, that he says this is the only kind of education that that someone can have an effect on. He says that there are three types of teachers. There are natural teachers. There are the that teachers of things. So things, objects teach Emile, and then teachers like people can teach him things. And he says the only one that people have any effect over is that last one. And so he writes about what a tutor for Emile should do. I want you to think about something that you learned from things, so objects. He also says that he counts instincts as a natural teacher. But I want you to think about things. When have you learned something from a thing, an object? What did you learn and how? That's what I'm going to talk about this week. So thinking about education as more than just people. All right. And I want to point out before I close that many of you, I think this is a good example of the separation of education and schooling. That no one would say that like a computer schools me, but it does educate me in a way. And so this is interesting that Rousseau is including this type of education in his philosophy of education. So I want you to think about your education from things for this week, all right? So talk to me about something you learned from a thing. All right, thanks. Talk soon.